Watching online videos or video advertising is all it takes to consistently make $5 by clicking watch. If you're watching this video, chances are good that you watch a lot of videos daily and still lose money. By simply turning on your phone or computer and visiting this website, you can start making up to $300 per day or more without any prior knowledge or expertise. There is no need for a credit card or other kind of payment. This method is entirely free and is applicable everywhere. You shouldn't worry if you are not in the United States. I'll provide you access to 3 websites and mobile applications that will help you maximize your income and run multiple sources of income at once. Make sure to keep watching the video non-stop the entire time. If you understand how to use all 3 websites, adhere to my directions and review my samples, you can finally make some good money online that might even alter your life. But before we go deep into the video, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll teach you the brand new methods to make money online in 2023. Please enjoy and be informed in this video, and remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, click the notification bell button so that you will get notified every time we release a new money-making video in our channel. Share this with your family and friends so that everyone is aware of this fantastic money-making strategy. If you have any questions, concerns, or thoughts about the video, please leave a comment below. We look forward to reading it. The first website where you can easily make money by viewing videos or video commercials is what I'm about to show you. Watch the video by pressing play, and you can make money without any experience or prior knowledge. So make sure you stay with me till the finish, because I'll be showing you a total of 3 websites with a ton of real-life examples. Every advice I give you in this video must be followed. Before continuing and attempting it to yourself, watch exactly how I do it to avoid making any mistakes. You must utilize all 3 of these websites in order to maximize your earnings in the least amount of time. Check out this opportunity to work online for your favorite business while earning real money. It's remarkably simple. Watching a video is the first step. By watching them, you may track how much time you've spent on commercials. Depending on how long you watch, they'll pay you and give you rewards each day. If you take the time to answer a few simple questions after seeing those video adverts, you can also receive bonus cash. I'll go over each step in great detail so you can finish the quick survey and get paid from $0.50 to $2 for each movie you watch. Here's another piece of advice I'd like to give you. You'll get an extra $1 payment from them for each friend you refer. This website offers it as an extra source of bonus income. You can also download promotions from your preferred brands. Once again, make sure you watch the entire video for a thorough explanation of everything. You can begin cashing out your money for this website once you have made more than $10. The great part about this is that you can obtain actual cash and money is just one day. This website handed out more than $632,000 in cash and prizes in its first 12 months. Since their website is so recent, I haven't heard anyone else mention them. They provide you a choice of 4 payment ways, and as you can see, it's really easy to get paid to watch video advertising and complete online surveys. You are free to make whatever decisions you want. You might get payment through PayPal, bank transfer, gift cards, or contribution, for example. I want you to pay special attention to this and look at this. AdWallet is a free program. They are completely free and are available in both the Apple App Store and Google Play Store. After downloading this software for free, you can use it right away. There are only 2 prerequisites to sign up for this opportunity: a mobile phone and an email address. Another great recommendations for you is to use the promo code FACT. You can get an extra $1 just for signing up for a free account. I'll now take you on a tour of the Google Play Store. Make sure you look for the right software and download it. AdWallet is the name, and this is the logo. Once more, the download is unrestricted and available anywhere. Every time you sign into your AdWallet account on your phone, you may check your balance and the money you have earned using this app. To get money online, you can watch the next films and adverts. For each video you watch, you might earn up to $5. You can withdraw your money after watching the adverts, as you can see. You have 3 fresh videos that are ready for you to see. Once you hit $10, you can begin cashing out all of your funds in 4 different methods on this website. Let's go to the second website, bucksinside.com, next. By viewing adverts, you can get money online for this, and you'll get paid every 10 seconds. You can see that every 10 seconds you're eligible for payment. You only need to quickly and easily navigate through the websites of a few marketers. Within 24 hours, you can immediately cash out your funds and begin getting your payment. The finest aspect of this website is that you can begin making withdrawals as soon as your balance reaches $2. It is an easy obstacle to overcome because it is so slow. As you can see, clicking on the ad on this website will pay you. Anyone can make money with this simple method on this website. Again, there is a $2 minimum payment, and they accept a number of different currencies. Several payment methods are available on our website for you to choose from. Payment can be made using a variety of options, including Payza, Advi Cash, Gold Money, PayPal, Perfect Money, Payer, Skrill, Bitcoin, Neteller, and others. Here are some more commercials for your viewing pleasure. Clicking on one of these advertisements will cause you to view the real simple films and earn more money. You'll be directed to this page after clicking the advertising, where you must stay for 30 seconds. After you close this website in just 30 seconds, they will credit you with the entire sum of money. It is possible to perform the same action repeatedly. As an illustration, if you click on the next advertisement, you'll visit the next website and make sure to stay there for an additional 30 seconds. Make careful to follow the proper procedures if you want to get compensated. Just a quick reminder that there is nothing you need to do, nothing to click on or register for. Spend no more than 30 seconds on the page, explore around, and you'll earn money. Make sure you select register before moving on to this page if you wish to sign up for this website. When you reach this page, you must provide your email address, username, and the currency you want to be paid in. The next step is to choose your method of payment. They provide you a range of payment choices, as you can see. Next, you must make a choice. Enter your birth year. They periodically provide you even more opportunity to make more money. So be sure to click yes to the declaration that reads, "I declare I have read, understood, and accepted the terms of service." After completing the enrollment process, for instance, you can click on this button to create your free account. That's all for now. I hope that you were able to learn something from this video and that I was able to show you a new method to generate money online. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. By clicking the notification bell button, you can be informed when we upload new videos. I'll see you in our forthcoming video, so keep an eye out for that.